Right. This is the numerical. All of you write it. 12 grams of potassium sulfate dissolves in 75 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius. At 60 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no? Yes, please, everybody. Understand? So what is the question? 75 grams. 12 grams of potassium chloride, potassium sulfate dissolves in 75 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius. What is the solubility in water at the temperature? They are asking. What is the solubility of water at the temperature? How to find it? Do you people know? You people don't know. Yes or no, guys? Yes, please. Mitakshri, ready? Now, observe very carefully. Like it's a mathematics, applied mathematics only. Now here, see in the question they mention. Now, we have given that 75 grams of water dissolves how many grams of potassium sulfate? 75 grams of water dissolves how many grams of sulfate? Write it. 75 grams of water dissolves how many grams of, it will equals to how many grams of salt? That is, please respond. 12 grams of potassium, 12 grams of potassium sulfate. Is it yes or no? Respond, guys. Potassium sulfate. Yes, now, we want to find, what we have to find the question? Everybody respond. What we have to find?
Solubility.
Solubility of water. Solubility of water at the same 60 degrees Celsius. But solubility of water will find for basically how many grams? How many grams will find? Basically, grams. Water solubility for how many grams? Yeah, solvent amount. 100 grams. Purima, all of you. For 100 grams of water, we have to check it. Is it yes or no, Mitakshri? We have to check 100 grams of water. Solubility for 100 grams of water. Yes or no? Everyone? Yes, please respond. Now, if 75 grams of water dissolves 12 grams of potassium sulfate, then 1 gram of water can dissolve how much? Anybody can answer? 1 gram of water dissolves how much amount of salt? Yes, please. Anyone? Mathematics it is. 75 grams of water dissolves 12 grams. Now, 1 gram of water dissolves how much? I am asking that first. Anybody? Now, can I write this one as 75 grams? Can I write as a 75 into 1? Is it right or wrong, Mr. Hari? Mitakshri? 75 grams, can I write it as a 75 into 1? Yes, I can write it or not? Everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, yes, you can see, I am asking you the question like 500 chocolates is equals to 50 rupees. Now, what is the cost of 1000 chocolates? I am asking. So, if you want to find the cost of 1000 chocolates, you must know what is the cost of one chocolate. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, same way here we are doing. So 75 grams of water dissolves 12 grams of potassium sulfate. Then can I write 75 into 1 gram? 75, can I write it as a rod? 2 is equals to 2 into 1. Can I write it or not? Yes, please. Yes. So which is equals to 12 grams of potassium sulfate. Not understand, please ask me. Now I am asking, I want 1 gram of water dissolves how much? So who is extra here? 75. So 75 will come this side. What will become? 75. What will become?
75.
Yeah, division. So 1 gram of water dissolves, which is equals to 12 divided by 75 grams of potassium sulfate. Have you understand this one, Mr. Arun Kailas? Mr. Kaushik? Yes, please. They have given for 75. I calculated for 1 gram. Is it right or wrong? Any doubt, please ask me. Nobody is answering. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
In question, they are asking, find the solubility of water. For how many grams we have to find? We know for 75 grams, but we have to find for what? We have to find it for what?
100.
100. So we have to find that. So write it. So 100 grams of water will dissolve. So 1 become 100. So how much it will come? 1 become 100. Now 1 is multiply with 100. It will become 100 grams of water. So 100 grams of water dissolves. So what is mathematics will say? If you are multiplying this side with 100, then this side also what?
100.
So 12 divided by 70
with 100.
into 100. Understand? Grams of potassium sulfate. Metakshri, are you understand or not? Okay. Question they not mentioned. Notice it very carefully. They're asking just what is its solubility in water at the temperature. Okay. Solubility means always you have to find for how many ml? 100 grams of solvent. Please remember. That is why we are making 100 grams. So do the division fastly, everybody. All of you.
16 grams. Sir.
3 table. You can see. 25 3s are 25 4s are. Yes or no? Yes, please. Next 3 1s are 3 4s are. So which is equals to what? 4 into 4. 16 grams of potassium sulfate will dissolve for how many grams of water? For how many grams of water?
75.
100 grams of water. 75 already they have given, Mr. Gokul. 75, 100 grams of water dissolves 16 grams of potassium sulfate. For 75, how much, man? 75 only 12 grams can dissolve. If we'll increase to 100 grams, then it will be 16 grams of potassium sulfate can dissolve. Is it okay? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So we can say the solubility of potassium sulfate in water, how much it is? The solubility of potassium sulfate, understanding at what temperature? At 60 degrees Celsius. At 60 degrees Celsius is how much, guys? 16 grams. How much it is? How much it is? 16 grams in 100 grams of water. Are you clear now? Yes or no? Please everyone respond. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what about it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Is it okay, guys? Mr. Reddy? Hari?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what about it. Now, I'm going to teach you the last concept for today's class. That is what is very, very important. That is what it is called as effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. Please learn it. Effect of temperature and pressure also, guys. Pressure in solubility. Sorry, on solubility. Okay. So this is what we'll study in our today's class. So this is more important, guys. You have to learn very clearly. Effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. Shall we start now? Is you ready?
Yes,
So
sir.
first let us take the effect of temperature and pressure on solubilities of substances. Observe, it is not same for solids, liquids and gases because we are having how many substances? How many substances totally? 3 states of matter. What is the 3 states of matter, everyone? Solid, liquid and as well as what? Gaseous state. So observe very carefully effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. The solubility of solids in liquids, usually increases on increasing the temperature and decreases on what? Decreases on decreasing the temperature. Are you understand or not? Everybody, what is this? Who is the solute here? Who is the solute? Solid or liquid? Solid is the solute and liquid is called as what? solvent. Please remember. So, the solubility of solids in liquids, solid is the solute and liquid is the solvent. Understanding? Increases on increasing the temperature and decreases on what? Decreases on decreasing the temperature. Please remember that. Is it okay, everybody? Temperature increases. Temperature decreases. That is what in solid solute will dissolve in liquid solvent. Puriyama, everybody. Yes. Next. Solid solute dissolved in liquids remains unaffected by the change in what? Change in what? Pressure. So, with the pressure, no effect. Is it okay, Mitakshri? Neha? With the pressure, no change in effect of solid solute dissolved in where, guys? Liquid solvent. Is it okay, guys? Yes, Kaushik? Yes, next. The solubility of gases. Please, all of you see here. Gases. Gases is different. So, who is the solute? Gases in liquids, they are saying. So, who is the solute?
Yeah.
Who is the solute? Gas is the solute. Liquid is the solvent. So, it is opposite to the solids. Solids in liquids. Decreases on increasing temperature, decreases on increasing temperature, and increases on what?
Decreasing temperature.
Increases on decreasing the temperature. Are you understand? Yes, please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
That is what. Next, the solubility of gases in liquids. Again, same thing. With the pressure, if you'll notice very carefully, the last point is the pressure, it will increases on increasing, decreases on decreasing. That is what you have to see that. So the solubility of gases in liquids, again, same thing. Observe very carefully. Who is the solute here? Gases are liquids. Solute.
Gas.
Gas. Liquid is solvent. So the solubility of gases in liquids increases on increasing the pressure and decreasing on decreasing the pressure. Is it okay, everybody? So pressure is directly proportional to solubility. In where? Yes, please. In where? Gases in liquids. Is it okay, everyone? Gases in liquids. But solids in liquids, is there any effect of pressure? Solids in liquids. Mr. Arun Kailash? Kaushik? Solids in liquids remains unaffected by the change in pressure. So no effect in solids in liquids, but gases in liquids increases on increasing pressure, decreases on decreasing pressure. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please respond. All of you. Nobody will answer. Okay. Now, as I told you, temperature increases, solubility will increase or decreases. Solid solute. Solid solute will increase or decreases. Anybody?
Increases.
Increases. Now, let us take one example and do temperature, solubility of copper sulfate. What is the formula of copper sulfate? CuSO4. What is the formula? CuSO4. Observe. Temperature 0 degrees Celsius. Maximum how much we can dissolve? Copper sulfate. Temperature 0 degrees Celsius. 14 grams. Now, 0 become 10 degrees. We can dissolve how much? 17 grams. 10 become 20. We can dissolve 21 grams. 20 become 30. 24 grams. 30 become 40. 29 grams. 40 become 50. 34 grams. 34 become 60. 50 become 60. 40 grams. And 70 degrees it will become maximum how much we can dissolve. Maximum how much
47.
we can 47 grams. So the solubility is increasing or decreasing? Solubility are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing by increasing the temperature. But what solute here? What solute it is? Solid solute or liquid gaseous solute? Solid solute. Please remember. But if it is a gas, if gas is a solute, then what is happening? If gas is a solute, increasing temperature rises, solubility Solubility
Decreases.
increases.
Decreases.
Temperature decreases, solubility increases. Is it
Increases.
Metakshri, Neha? Please respond. Kaushik, nothing. So we have to decide solid solute in liquid or gaseous solute in liquid. Is it okay, everyone? So that is what will decide solubility. You have to understand that. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will show you, like we have studied some salts, potassium nitrate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, ammonium chloride. So let us take the solubility and check it, but you have to note down this tabular column to prove that example also. So will you able to note it down, everybody? Yes, please. So all the things you have to learn it. So see here, I have taken you 4 salts. 4 salts, let us check the solubility by increasing the temperature 10 degrees. 20 degrees already we people know. We studied or not 20 degrees? We studied or not? So
Yes, sir.
let us see for 40, 60 and 80 degrees. Potassium nitrate. For 10 degrees, 21 grams. 20 degrees, 32 grams. 40 degrees, 62 grams. 60 degrees, 106 grams. 80 degrees, 167 grams. So these all are what solutes? Solid solutes or liquid solute? Solid solute.
Solid solute.
So that increasing temperature, increasing the solubility or not? Increases temperature, increasing solubility or not? Everyone? Yes. Solubility increasing or not? Temperature increases. So sodium chloride also.
Yes, sir.
10 degrees, 36 grams. But have you noticed it? 20 degrees also 36 grams only. 40 degrees also 36 grams only. Then only it is further increasing. Have you noticed it? Everybody? Salt, our sodium chloride. So that is what, till 40, no increasing in solubility. So after 40 only, we can observe the change in solubility. Next, potassium chloride, 35 grams, 40 grams, 46 grams, 54 grams solubility when increasing the temperature. Next, ammonium chloride, 10 degrees, 24 grams, 20 degrees, 37 grams, 40 degrees, 41 grams, 60 degrees, 55 grams, and 80 degrees, 66 grams. So that it is increasing or decreasing? Increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. So this is what about it. Will you all able to find it or not? Please respond. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to do it and you have to make it everything well. So this is all about the today's class. Then tomorrow's class I will teach you what is the physical and chemical changes. Once if you'll understand the physical and chemical changes, then directly we'll go to the separation techniques. Maximum tomorrow we'll get back to the separation techniques. So totally separation techniques, we're having first what? Saturated, that separation of, what is the first techniques we have in textbook? Yes, please. By, I think, separation of mixture. Is it yes? With the help of normal plus. Next, second one is that, okay, we'll study it. It's not a big deal. So we'll study. I think you'll be having how many methods till chromatography? Means how many methods? What is the methods for chemistry? Yes, please. Filtration is there? Is there any filtration? Not there, correct? You'll be having, I think, chromatography. Next one is what? Respond, yeah. Crystallization is there. Okay. Crystallization and chromatography. Next one. That's all.
Distillation is there, sir.
Distillation is there. Chromatography after only distillation will come. Ready? Hurry.
Up to chromatography only, sir.
Till chromatography only. Other techniques we'll study later. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let it be. This is all about it. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet in the tomorrow's class. But all of you should come in the afternoon class. Currently, just come with your physics books and all. Chemistry books also. There also we can solve NCERT sums and all. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thank you, sir.